Hello, my name is Simon Remigio, and this is my presentation on the plague. The plague is caused by the pathogen Yersinia pestis. Its domain is bacteria. The phylum is Pseudomonadota. The order is Enterobacterialis. The family is Yersineaceae, and the genus is Yersinia. The general characteristics of this pathogen is that it is bacillus, a gram-negative bacteria. It is non-motile and is resistant to macrophages, which are usually found in the immune system and aid in killing bacteria such as this. But it is resistant. If it is diagnosed, it can be treated with antibiotics. This is also characterized as a vector-borne disease because they are found in fleas and rodents that can be infected or carry the disease and then bite and infect humans. This disease has many notable symptoms. Some common ones are fever, high fevers, chills, headaches, and extreme weakness. But there's some also more defining symptoms that are more unique to this type of disease. The bubonic plague shows painful lymph nodes, also known as buboles, that can form at the site of infection. These are large shaped, just spherical shaped abscesses that can be filled with pus and can form anywhere on the surface of the skin. There's also the septicemic plague, which causes tissue blackening and eventual death of the tissue. These can also be found at like the bottom of the feet or at the extremities, such as your fingertips, and it will eventually cause cellular death. The disease can also progress into a pneumonic plague, which causes pneumonia within the lungs, causing them to have fluid within them, and fever and coughing. And it can cough up bloody or watery mucus, and also cause the disease to be transmitted through infectious droplets. Uh, the disease transmission is usually through flea bites or rodent bites, but any infected tissue or fluids from mammals can cause the disease to spread. Infectious droplets from a pneumonic plague can infect other individuals, and the pathogen usually travels through the bloodstream to infect other parts of the body. So that if you get a flea bite on the skin and you start to have large pus-filled buboles, it could eventually enter the bloodstream and travel through your lungs so that you can also be infected with the pneumonic plague and cause pneumonia, which can be very dangerous because there's almost 100% mortality rate if you develop the pneumonic plague. The risk factors for this plague are overcrowded rural areas, high rodent population, poor sanitation standards, and these three were very prevalent in medieval Europe, where the Black Death, as it was known at the time, or the bubonic plague, wiped out a massive portion of the population. Poor sewage systems cause the festering of bacteria, and rodents were able to thrive on the setting, causing a well-made environment for the bacteria to infect many. Also, if you are working with animals in your job, there is a risk factor to get the plague because of the fleas that might be present on the animals you are working with, or if they may be infected themselves. All right, thank you.